Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of March 11th, 2014. The charts we'll look at come from the Trade Navigator software. The first chart is a weekly bond market chart, and bonds haven't done a whole lot here. They seem to hold support right here around 130.28 early this week, which kind of made sense. I was kind of looking for that. And I think they ought to at least go up to the 132 area, which is this middle moving average. And we're kind of loaded with the majority of the economic reports out Thursday, Friday this week, so they may remain quiet until then. Uh, there is a chance that they could blow up here. This is about 133.08 up here to the projected high and the upper moving average. And if they blow down here, we're looking at 129.24 roughly is where they might go to here. After a big outside week like this, though, the likelihood is for some consolidation or a little backing and filling to the upside. So between these levels here makes the most sense, and I really think they ought to go test 132 at some point. I'm just not sure they'll wait until they do it on some news Thursday or Friday. Looking at stocks, I got a little surprise here in stocks. After a strong week last week, support up here at the upper moving average in the 1866 area looked like it should provide support to drive them even higher and up here about to the 1900 area. Well, they held their Monday and started up, and I thought everything looked good. But Tuesday, even though they did go to new highs again in the first 90 minutes, they turned and they've gone lower. It's possible that it's just kind of sloppy and they'll turn up from here, but now it looks like they might be heading down to the 1850 area before finding support. And heck, I can't even guarantee that'll hold. They might be going all the way down here to 1825 or so. I really thought they were going to continue up. I must admit, though, the stock markets in general are making me nervous. They look like they just don't care what news is. Nothing matters. They're going to go up regardless. And that reminds me a lot of the way they were acting in 1999 and 2000, just before they topped out and took a major tumble. The only thing wrong with that analysis is I've heard far too many people agreeing with me, and I don't like that. I'd rather be out on an island by myself. So I'm really not sure what's happening here. I thought they'd go higher, and I kind of still do. I'm just not sure they're going to 1850 or 1825 first. I'd really rather see them just turn back up and head up to 1900 this week without any more nonsense. But that's what I'd rather do. And if there's one thing I've learned, markets don't give a rat's rear what I want. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.